Thank you for inquiring about a partnership with Banner & Flag Wholesalers. We currently serve nearly 900 distributors across the United States and Canada. Through our current distributors, we print for companies such as H&R Block, Suzuki, and T-Mobile. We are the manufacturer of event signage products like these, making Banner & Flag Wholesalers the low price leader throughout the world. Yes, we can even beat pricing from China. Banner & Flag Wholesalers is a perfect fit for you if you already have an established business. If you're a graphic designer, working under your own business name, website, logo, already have your branding, then you're ready to go. Simply resell Banner & Flag Wholesaler products. We'll either blind ship to your customers or we'll ship them directly to you. And to make this process easier, we've developed white label flyers. These flyers are not branded with our information on them, and our contact information is not on them either. We also recommend having product samples. If you have a retail store, you may have a showroom. In that showroom, you may want to showcase some of the products. Your customers can see them, they can feel them, they can see the vibrance of the colors, and they can start to visualize themselves using these at their events. Self-promotion samples are available to Banner & Flag Wholesalers distributors at a discount. If you wish to become a distributor of Banner & Flag Wholesalers, welcome to our team. Simply click our logo below to get started. If you don't have the time, money, or ability to start your own business, but you want to work in this industry and you see this as a great opportunity, then Signpipers is the perfect solution for you. Signpipers is growing to become the leading retailer in soft signage products across America. Store and event signage is needed by all businesses and used at all events, everywhere, every day. These products are proven to increase exposure at events and retail storefronts. $40 billion is spent on these products every year. Signpipers is the low price leader. We are growing market share rapidly, but we need your help. Signpipers' average order is $850. At only one order per day comes to $25,000 a month, over $300,000 a year. Open a Signpipers in your town. Signpipers is currently testing and proving our franchise model, and for a limited time only, we're looking for Signpipers across America to open a Signpipers. We are offering a select few new Signpipers, your own market, for a limited time, no franchise fee, and no royalty, ever. Choose to work from home, in the field, online, or open your own retail store. You may wish to do a combination of all, or start by working from home, and as your business grows, move in to a retail storefront. By next year, we'll be selling franchises around $35,000 per location and have an 8% royalty fee. So you see, by acting now, you risk nothing. If you wish to move towards becoming a Signpiper or opening a retail Signpiper store, simply click on the Signpipers logo below to get started.